This is Morro Bay, our Surfline camera. You can see all the folks out there, but again, the huge change in the weather, this huge mass of marine cloud cover that's moved back to the Central Coast. Now, it was mixed out by some breeze in the afternoon and the sunshine wearing away on it, but look at the trend. It's going to be back in here fairly quickly this evening and around tomorrow morning, as we told you about in First Weather. Let's take a look at some of the numbers. Avila Beach, 63 degrees, looking pretty good on our live 805 webcams camera. Please check them out. Great folks over there. We really like those folks. San Luis Obispo, 64, west-northwest winds 11 miles per hour, dew point 52. And on the Mesa and the Riviera in Santa Barbara, 62, west winds 8 miles per hour. 7-day forecast at the bottom of your screen, 10-day forecast, hourly forecast, and more on our app. 69 is an average daytime high in Paso Robles. Now, yesterday we were kind of pushing records. Today we definitely didn't. Santa Barbara, an average high is 66. I just want to show you where we're at when we get to the reports for the day. And in Santa Maria, 66 is average daytime high. San Luis Obispo, very similar. Morro Bay, 55. Paso Robles still 81, so above average in the interior valleys, but San Luis Obispo right on average is 68. Santa Maria under the average is 64. Santa Barbara above the average a little bit at 72. So you can't just use one adjective today. As we've been talking about, this southwest flow aloft has produced onshore flow, so those clouds are going to be in for the weekend. Breezy afternoon winds over the weekend and windy conditions most of next week. The interesting thing to watch is this storm system out here. It's not going to make its way to the Central Coast anytime soon. And the extended forecast is nothing short of fascinating. Look at the storm. Looks like it's coming our direction. Watch what happens to it. This is Sunday. It backs up. In fact, it's on a trip out to Hawaii. It continues to back up before it gets caught up in the westerlies and drawn toward California as we get into, say, the 10th or so. I still don't think any rain before that time frame. This is fascinating. See this area of low pressure up here off of Seattle and Vancouver? This is a model output that's fascinating because it would put mountain snows back. It would plummet temperatures. This is pretty speculative since we're talking about the middle of the month. But a lot of folks are wondering, are we done with rain? In the short-term forecast, yes. But if any of that develops, it's going to be interesting. I mean, a really cold system in the middle of April? We're watching it. Low 60s for Santa Maria and Lompoc, 67 San Luis, 70 Santa Barbara, and 75 in Paso Robles. We just showed you some of those average daytime highs. So temperatures are kind of pulling back to the averages. Now, beach communities, yeah, it's sweater weather for daytime highs. Early low clouds, afternoon partial clearing. The breeze in the afternoon is going to be there as well. Let's glance at the extended forecast. Lather, rinse, repeat. A little bit of warming as we get into Monday, most notably in Santa Barbara, where the offshore winds, the northerly winds, which is more of an offshore for Santa Barbara. But temperatures on the Central Coast stay really kind of in check, and Paso Robles and North County temperatures slowly come up back to about 80 degrees. Nina.